Brand new clear corner headlights in the 04 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins diesel. This is Mark. Subscribe right now.
Guys, this is Mark. Subscribe. I'm going to go over the details of the internals of unbolting it, and then the video to conclude the video before this video is going to play. Ready? Check this out. So I just took this off. Make sure you get your connectors. Align your headlights too. Make sure you get your headlight machine lined up, and you can do all that crap or however you do it. Plug your clip in right here for the corner marker lights. Plug your headlight in. Twist the locking part to lock the headlight in. Put it back in. Bolt it there. 1, 2, 3. Put your little rubber clip on right there, and you're good to go. Holler at me. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Subscribe. Check this out. Today we're going to be replacing these annoyingly ugly, faded, yellowy amber, orange corner marker lights with these new gorgeous, ready? Wait for it, wait for it. Well, hold on, but first, hit the damn subscribe button, and then I'll show you the product. I'll tell you how much it is, I'll tell you where I got it, and I'll tell you how to install it. You did it? All right, you subscribed? Good. All right, check it out. Ready? Here we go. Brand new. Ready? Boom! Gorgeous. Fully clear with amber bulb. That way you can be DOT approved. Headlight and turn signals are orange. You're good to go. And they're flossy, glossy, brand new, chromy, shiny, nice awesomeage. We're throwing these in this mofo. And here's what I'm going to tell you. Here's a little tip on trick. Ready? By the way, these are going in the gorgeous 04 Cummins. It's going to be ready here shortly. Here's a little trick. So these headlights are famous for leaking. Or not leaking, getting a lot of condensation in them. What you want to do, get a clear thing of silicone, and go all along the edge right here, in between the little clip bracket right there, and re-silicone the whole damn headlight. That'll save you a lot of headache of these morons out there. No offense, guys, who drill a whole little tiny hole in the bottom of their light and drill it on the other side. That way air and water pass through. What the problem is dust with water, when they mix, turns the headlight dirty and shitty inside, and you end up with something that looks sort of like this. But these ones haven't been drilled. They're just aged and old and ugly. So you can get them at a few different places. If you want to be baller, go to the dealership. You pay a couple $100, probably close to probably $300-400 at the dealership. You can go on eBay or Amazon or all some sort of car parts places and shit like that and find them roughly for about $100. I paid $100 for these ones on eBay. I bought them before. I have no problems with them, but I seal them up when I put them in. I make sure I seal the whole entire headlight. They come with the amber corner bulbs right here. They do not come with headlight bulbs. So it's gonna look pretty nice. And you can either take it out with a socket right here. I think it's a 10mm, or if you look inside of the bolt, let me focus right there. It's a star key. So what you can do is it's a star bait set, and I want to say it's a what size is this right here? I don't know. Well, anyways, find the damn size. You guys are smart. Matched up. It's a lot more thin rather than putting a socket around the damn thing. You got here, pull a little tab off right there. And then you got one in there under the headlight. You got to push the bumper down a little bit to get some clearance. There's the tabs you connect, disconnect, and then you install your new ones. Be careful and take the plastic off, and you're good to go. Hope this helps. Subscribe. This is Mark signing out. Peace out, guys. See ya.